So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this beautiful 2011 Chevy Camaro Super Sport Synergy Edition. And this car comes to us a very well-maintained, well-kept, low-mile example with just 12,500 miles from new, and a very rare low production Synergy Edition Super Sport. In 2011, they only produced 255 of them. And this one comes to us very factory, very stock, with just a couple minor enhancements. Finished in that beautiful black exterior, silver stripes, all your SS badges, the upgraded wheels, part of the Synergy package, and that awesome two-tone silver and black with the red pinstripe or stitching interior. It's a beautiful interior, really sets this Camaro off. Powered by that great 6.2 liter V8 backed by the automatic transmission, and this car just presents excellent front to back, top to bottom. It's a beautiful car. It's not just a great looking car either, it's a great driving, performing car. We're going to grab the other camera, we're going to go for a test drive. Love the two-tone with the red stitching.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So now we're ready to take a test drive in that beautiful 2011 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport. And it's not just a Camaro Super Sport, like we said earlier, it's a Synergy Edition.
Absolutely.
One of 255 Synergy Edition SS's in 2011.
Yep.
So, which is finished in that gorgeous black exterior.
Yeah, with the silver stripes and and all the Synergy accents to the body kit, the unique body kit. And
red pinstripes on the wheels.
absolutely.
So we'll go ahead and we'll fire up this 6.2 liter V8, and it fires right off just like a low mile.
Yeah, Camaro
should.
Absolutely.
Backed by the automatic transmission. I'm going to let this gentleman go by us, but the odometer currently is reading 12,490, so we're going to be close to 12,500 by the time we get back to the shop. But
which I mean is extremely low for a 14-year-old car.
15.
Yeah, going on 50. Yeah. Shoot, 2026.
Yep.
Yeah, and the car, it presents as such. This car is in exceptional condition throughout, top to bottom.
Yeah, that walk-around inspection portion of the video will just be a highlight reel of just how well this car's been maintained for 15 years. There's very, very few flaws.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. This car, in the interior, you can just see how well cared for it is. Because all the plastic doesn't have your typical nicks and scratches in it, or discoloration. You have a little bit of maybe that door panel that was really common on these panels here, the doors, but nothing that would have been caused by.
No, like the armrests. Just all your push buttons and then heater controls and stereo and
everything looks new.
Yeah.
Even the airbag tag is still in the glove box.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it keeps it fresh.
And so this Camaro is very nicely optioned. You got factory tag, cruise control, you got steering wheel controls, you got your flappy paddles for manual shifting.
Yep.
Of course, air conditioning, full gauges in the center console, which I think is awesome. It's kind of that
throwback
60s.
to like the 60s.
Yeah, I like that. And it's got CD auxiliary, phone, all your modern amenities.
Yeah, just a gorgeous interior. Like we kind of touched on earlier, this interior, this two-tone gray and black leather interior with the red stitching was unique to the Synergy Edition Camaros.
And it's awesome. I think it just really sets this car off.
Absolutely.
The red stitching alone just makes such a huge difference.
It does.
Beautiful. Oh, it's got a wonderful.
So So, and you can just tell, just like walking up on the car, that I mean, this with all the more aggressive body kits. I mean, the Synergy Edition does kind of set itself apart from the Camaros, and they did get some handling differences. They were lowered compared to the standard Super Sport, and they were all based on the 2SS, and that kind of explains why this car is as well optioned as it is. It has the highest trim package for the Super Sport Camaro. Yeah, and it runs, drives, does everything flawlessly.
Like you would expect a brand new 2011 Camaro to.
Absolutely.
And it's very rarely seen. Condition, mileage, and just package. I mean, very seldom see these Synergy editions. And being only 255 SS's, you know.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard pressed to find another one in this condition. We're going to let that 6.2 liter breathe a little bit. We're good warmed up. 60.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah. Set you back in the seat.
We've got a great exhaust note coming out of the back. It does have muffler deletes back there, and actually it's not, for muffler deletes, not overly loud. The rest of this exhaust appears to be stock. But yeah, you do get a nice growl, and just it constantly reminds you that you are driving it.
So if you need to have it inspected, you might, in your state, you might have to plan on putting mufflers back on the car, but
Possibly.
possibly.
But the cats are still in place.
Cats are still there.
Yeah.
Expensive stuff, yeah. And it's got a couple little upgrades with, you know, the exhaust delete, or the mufflers delete, and cold air intake.
Yeah. That's pretty much it.
That's about it. The rest of it is pretty stock. Wonderful car.
Absolutely.
So if you're in the market for this generation Camaro, or just a late model sports car that you're not going to, you know, you're probably going to be the only one at the local cruising or car show, or just a great addition to a collection, you know, an up and coming collectible, rare, 255.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this beautiful Camaro Super Sport. So stay tuned to the walk-around inspection. You know, there's not really any flaws to show you, so
Just an awesome highlight reel of all the unique Synergy touches.
yeah. So stay tuned, and yeah. So now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we'll do the walk-around inspection portion on this gorgeous 2011 Chevy Camaro Super Sport Synergy Edition. And that is a mouthful. And this car, like we said numerous times, this car's in excellent condition throughout. So there's very few flaws on this car. I'm trying to even think of any flaws on it, but we will show you everything that we can. But we'll start right here. The front windshield's excellent condition. No items to speak of.
And you're probably going to hear that word excellent a lot.
Yeah. So this left front fender, nice and straight, and your paint shines extremely well with just the right amount of factory orange peel. And then you got your tires, actually dated 2024, Bridgestone, wrapping those factory Synergy special edition wheels, the black calipers. The left portion of the hood, no condition items to speak of. Your stripes, all your emblems are in excellent condition. Coming across the fascia, we got some bugs that we picked up, but in very good condition. Not seeing any cracks.
No, chin spoilers,
Very.
straight and clean.
Your grille is all intact.
Which this was a unique grille just to the Synergy editions.
Both your emblems on the grille are in excellent condition. Coming up to the passenger side of the hood, and your gaps are correct all the way through it. I mean, this car has
Definitely a
not
no-hit
been
car.
modified, yeah. Passenger side of the windshield is clear, free of chips or cracks. Right front fender, nice and straight. Paint shines well. Your right front wheels in very good condition. You can tell it definitely was garage kept and well maintained. Across the passenger side of the roof, I'm not seeing any dings, nothing to note. Negatively anyways. just absolutely gorgeous to stand here and look at.
Just a couple bugs in the mirror.
Yeah. Your passenger side doors, nice and straight. PP? There's some
PPF.
PPF, I mean. But even at your door handle, nice and clean. No scratches. Your windows indexed just like they should. Both your passenger glass is in excellent condition. Coming to the passenger side of the interior, you'll find a very, very well maintained interior.
Yeah, door jambs are nice and clean. I mean, your threshold plate here is extremely clean. No scuffs or scratches in it. Same with the entire door jamb. Your passenger side door panel is in excellent condition. No age or wear to any of the plastic. Bright work shines nice and bright. Dash is nice and straight and unwarped. I mean, all your buttons in your entertainment center and your heater controls are crisp, clean, and legible. You still have your airbag tag in the glove box. Passenger side floor mat's in excellent condition. Same with passenger side carpet throughout. And the passenger side seat is just showing almost no wear. Extremely good condition. Those retro throwback gauges in the factory center console, and the center console throughout is showing no wear or age to it. Coming to the back, rear carpet just as nice as the front, and the back seats look like they've almost never been used.
So coming back outside, the right rear quarter panel, we'll get some dirt on it. Very good condition, nice and straight. Paint shines well. Same with your rear wheel and tire. Your rear glass, excellent condition. The rear defrost, no breaks. Your rear spoiler's nice and straight, no warpage. Same with the rear bumper cover, nice and clean, free of any damage. Got a little dust on it. Your exhaust tips, rear deck lid. And this is a nice touch, these polished chrome accents around the taillights. Come into the truck, your struts work just like they should. Of course, you get this nifty little bag and the
Microfiber, or the
net.
cargo net.
And it comes with the sandwich board that the previous owner made, but in a nice custom rubber Camaro trunk mat. The truck looks like it was hardly used. I mean, this car's been pretty much a show car from new, and it shows that way. Come around to the left rear quarter again, excellent condition. A little dirty from the road, but no dents, no dings to speak of. Your left rear wheels in very good condition. Same with the left portion of the roof, nice and straight. Paint shines well.
And all your glass throughout's like new.
The mirrors in very good condition. The driver's doors, nice and straight. I'm not seeing any door dings, any condition items to speak of. And we'll come into the passenger side of the interior. Very comparable, driver's side to the passenger side. And this is probably about the only real flaw.
Yeah, there is this material here that they use to fill these door panels. It tends to show this age to it. Kind of see it there. But yeah, the rest of the door panel is excellent. Not showing any age or wear. I mean, your trunk release button looks new. I mean, same with all your controls. Your door jamb, threshold plate are all just as nice as the passenger side. All your factory tags are intact. Your driver's side carpet and floor mat is excellent. Same with the driver's seat. I mean, it is showing just absent of wear. It is in very good condition for the age, as you'd expect with this low mileage. Dash again, very straight and clean. Same with your steering wheel, no heavy wear in the leather. All your controls are nice and legible. There's a better shot of the center console from the driver's side. I mean, back of your seats are like new. Again, rear carpet just as nice as the front. Very, very clean interior.
Coming back outside, see a very tidy, unmolested engine compartment. Does benefit from a cold air intake, and this engine compartment could easily and quickly be detailed to be absent of dust. It's extremely clean. So I'll grab the keys, fire it up, show you some lights working.
That 6.2 liter fires right up. No knocking, no weird noises. Show you some lights working. There's your headlights, your brights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. The front lights work. There's your running lights, your brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your lights work just like they should.
So if you're in the market for a collector grade Camaro that you seldomly see, you definitely want to take a very close look at this beautiful Synergy Edition Super Sport, rock solid Motorsports.